everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate our website and how to apply for an internship on our apc.ua.edu website. We are always looking for new applicants, so please follow along. Here you can see an internship tab, or you can go to the top and select internships and then about internships. Here you can select I'm a student looking for an internship, and you can scroll down and hear from one of our previous interns on how much she enjoyed working with us, what she did, and some of the benefits of working with us. You can scroll back up and click Apply Now. This will take you to our short application process where you can fill out some personal information and also some information about your educational background. Make sure to fill out this skills section here so that we can match you to an opportunity that would work best for you. Here you can select locations where you would like to intern, and this will be for fall, spring, and summer. Here you can input your preference so that we can figure out what exactly you would like to do for the company. So thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to drop any questions that you have in the comments.